Assalamu alaikum class, this is your teacher Miss Sayyida Fatma. I hope all of you are fine. So now we are starting active voice and passive voice. Basically, whenever we are converting active voice into passive voice, there are a lot of things that we have to change. For example, and these things are as follows. For example, the first thing you have to change is the object will become the subject and the pronouns I will become me, we will become us, he will become him, she will become her, and they will become them. Okay. Number second is we use helping verbs. Number third is the first or second form of verb in the active voice will change into the third form of verb in the passive voice. Okay. And whenever number fourth point is after using third form of verb we use by. Okay. For example, I eat a mango, so it will become a mango is eaten by me. Mango was the object that was eaten, so it will become subject in the passive voice, and I was subject, it will become the object in passive voice. Okay, whenever a sentence doesn't have an object, so we can't make it passive voice. For example, he lives, she eats, they laugh, they buy. We can't make the passive voice of these sentences. Okay, whenever we have to make the passive voice sentence in negative, we will add not after the helping verb, and whenever we have to make a questioning या interrogative passive voice sentence, we will add the helping verb in the starting of the sentence. Here are some examples of present simple passive tenses. Okay, the first one is Noin doesn't speak English. It is active voice. Passive voice में convert करेंगे तो it will become English is not spoken by Noreen. Here the object is changed into subject, the subject is changed into object, and we are using the third form of verb. Okay. They do not eat mangoes. Mangoes are not eaten by them. Does Amit throw a ball? Is a ball thrown by Amit? Okay, you have to go through all the examples. After that, you have to do exercise A of this page, which is you have to change the following sentences into passive voice. I have already written the answers, but do it yourself first, and after that check it from this video. Okay, the first sentence here is the man builds the house. The house is built by the man. Here it is a mistake. यहाँ build की जगह built आएगा, T आएगा end में instead of D. So make sure to correct it and write the correct built in your grammar book. Okay. Farhan rides a bicycle. A bicycle is ridden by Farhan. Shaila serves a cup of tea. A cup of tea is served by Shaila. Yasmin raises a flag. A flag is raised by Yasmin. Banu reads a book. A book is read by Banu. Read पढ़ेंगे इसको यहाँ पे. A book is read by Banu. Okay, you have to do only 5 sentences of each of the tense: present, past, and simple and future. Okay, next is past simple tense. Whenever we are using making a passive voice of these sentences, we will use was and were. A shark blew up a balloon. A balloon was blown up by Ashfaq. The police arrested a thief. A thief was arrested by the police. Cameraman took a photo. A photo was taken by a cameraman. We have already done a lot of things in the tenses portion, so I am not going into details that why with which subject we have to use was and were. Okay, we have already done in our previous videos and our previous half yearly. Okay, you have to do the exercise of this as well. Hamid opened the door. The door was opened by Hamid. Sahrish threw the stone. The stone was thrown by Sahrish. The children played the cricket. The cricket were played by the children. Father bought a doll. A doll was bought by my father. She has written an application. An application was written by her. Next is future simple tense. In this we will use shall and will and shall with be. Okay. So the active voice is the girl will win the race. Passive voice, the race will be won by the girl. My father will drive a car. A car will be driven by my father. Our teacher will teach us English. English will be taught to us by our teacher. Okay, you have to do the exercise. The boys will push the car. The car will be pushed by the boys. The girls will pluck the flowers. Flowers will be plucked by the girls. He will tell a lie. A lie will be told by him. We shall speak the truth. Truth will be spoken by us. I will score a goal. A goal will be scored by me. You have to only do the 5 sentences of each of the tense. Okay? So make sure to do it in your grammar book and complete your work. And take care. Allah Hafiz.